Welcome back to another video. I will be showing you guys what I'm gonna make for my brother this morning for his school lunch. So I will be making some sandwich. I'm using a tomato because it's almost like I have to get rid of it quickly. And this sandwich bread, I just woke up, so don't mind my voice like this. Anyways, and not just some sandwich, I'll be making some like honey ham sandwich with fruit salad on the side. And yeah, these are just like snacks and stuff he's gonna take along with it. Also, I do not like mayo. This one, I was just showing you guys to tell you this is literally the best mayo brand ever. Don't come for me. Go for somebody else. Go to somebody who cares, okay? Not me. I don't. So this is the best mayo brand ever. If you don't use this mayo brand, you're sleeping out. But anyway, the one I will be using today is the Kewpie. This is the Japanese mayo. So it's not like the regular mayo. It's actually a bit tangy, salty-ish, but sweet. Anyways, yeah, this is what I'll be using. How am I gonna make this sandwich? Well, that's what I'm gonna show you guys right now, so stay tuned. First thing first, I'll wash my hands. It's gonna be dealing with food, so first you gotta wash my hands, keep it clean. You know, I get so bad. I don't know where my hands were while I was sleeping. So, anyways, clean it. Always, child. Yeah, this is what I do. I wash away all the seeds like that. After I slice it, of course. I don't know how many tomatoes I might need. Probably one, because he's not a big fan of it. So stop running water. Step 2: butter your bread. Yes, butter your bread, because I have to toast this. Yes, I'm going to toast it. And before I toast it, yes, I'm gonna put some butter on it before I put it in the toaster. No, after I get it out of the toaster. Mind your business. This is my recipe and not yours. So, yeah, one side. Yeah, one side. Like one side each. That's it. And you pop this bad boy in here. Let them face each other. Let the strongest soldier win. And my toaster is, oh shit. Okay, yeah, that's totally working. Oh, that's hot. Okay, that's very hot. I'm not gonna keep that in there for long. Not for long. While that's toasting, I am going to get started on my fruits. Yes, wash your fruits. You don't know what hands be touching it. You don't know where it comes from. Like, wash it. So I'm just gonna pause this video and wash my fruits. Gee, that was so violent. Pause. And yes, while I'm doing all the extra stuff, I am checking out my bread. Because you see that? You see how that's glistening? Yeah. Just gonna go do something else. Do you see that? Do you see that? This is the color you want. You want the inside to look like this and the outside to look like that. Now that's a toast bread, okay? So don't be burning your bread and be like, oh, blah blah blah. No, you want the inside to look like that. You don't want it all munched up just like the outside look. Like, no, this is how it should be. Okay, and here we go. Go. Um, I'm gonna be... Okay, here we go. And this is what I'm using. Honey or... honey ham or honey smoked turkey. I'm gonna be 100% transparent with you guys. I did not know the difference. I did not know the difference. Like, which one is supposed to be the turkey? Which one's supposed to be the ham? I have no clue. So what I'm going to do is pick whichever one looks good. And I feel like this one looks really good. I think that might be the turkey, right? Yeah. Or this. What is this? This book tastes good. But I'm gonna go with this one instead. Sorry for touching this, but I thought I had a tongue in my in my drawer. I had a plastic tongue to be able to pull this. I just broke it. You know what? We use our hands. Like I said, I wash my hand, and if I'm using my hand, it is what it is. It is a sandwich after all, so... And no, it's not a fat sandwich, so... But it is thick. Oh my god, these things are so... They keep falling apart. They're so thin. They're so thin, they keeps falling apart. Okay, first thing I put on here was the Cute by Mayo, just to show you guys. I don't put too much because, well, I don't want I don't want the sandwich to be soggy, you know? So I put a little bit here. You know this. Much so. And yes, the lettuce as a barrier. Honestly, my lettuce are always looking like they need help. Like, help. Girl, you on your own at this point. But yeah, I'm putting a lot of lettuce. And then I put the tomato on top of that. And then the ham like that. I don't know if it's the ham or turkey. Whatever one it is. Actually, I actually forgot something super important I should have done first. Yeah, so I should have put the cheese first, but because I'm doing so much stuff here, and it feels like I'm doing nothing because I'm really not doing nothing at all, but also doing something at the same time. One cheese, just one. The cheese goes at the bottom. The cheese always goes at the bottom. And then that, yes, I'm adding more ham because this thing is so thin. Wait, no, that was actually you know what? He's still gonna eat it. There we go. Yes, they're still the same. It is all, I think those are the honey smoked turkey. If you eat a turkey and ham, well, it is what it is. He's still gonna eat it. That's what I have for this sandwich, and I'm just gonna cover it up like that. Yeah. Okay, listen to this. Oren, do you want me to slice the sandwich in two or just leave it whole? Huh? I'm making you a sandwich. In two? Huh? Oh, okay. Leave it whole, it is. Well, there you go, answer. He said, what sandwich? What sandwich, nigga? The fuck? Just kidding. Anyways, this is what you get. But this is how the sandwich looks. He did not want me to slice it into. Yes, it looks regular, it looks plain, but trust me, the flavor is there, okay? It's delicious. And now that I've done the sandwich, I'm gonna put most of these things away and get started on the salad, the fruit salad. Do I look like I'm doing something important? Yeah. Yes, I am. I'm washing my fruits. Like, why do I do it like this? Gosh. I honestly cannot tell you because I don't know. Yes, I peeled the thing off of it. Because I'm lazy. I'm lazy, okay? I'm lazy. I'm running out of time. So I'm doing this like this. Ignore all the messes in my sink. This is raw and unfiltered, baby. With the way as you see it. And I'm just going to slice up these strawberries. Yes, I'm slicing it up because, like I said, it is a fruit salad that we're about to make. Yeah. You see how these berries look? These strawberries. I always clean these before I use it, so just putting that out there. Don't be using the same thing for the same thing over and over and not cleaning it. That's unsanitary. But like, it's vegetable and fruit, so like, who cares? Besides, you're not feeding the internet now, are you? Right? You're not feeding the internet at the end of the day. Woo-hoo. Okay. And now I'm gonna get started on the fruit salad. So these are all I need. This Italian herb vinaigrette, some blueberry, strawberry, and green grapes, and crunchy veggie lovers. Yes, these are all we have in it. Iceberg, blah 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 blah. I'm not about to explain all these because you can read, right? You can read. Thank you so much. Anyways, you know I like smart people. Makes my bagels really fast. Yes, I put it in a bowl, and it's not too much. Not too much. That's enough. Not too much. And yes, I'm gonna mix in the fruits. You see that? Yes, sir. Like I said, it's a fruit salad. It's not a lettuce salad. So I'm just gonna sprinkle the vinaigrette dressing on it. Trust me, this vinaigrette is so good. Like, I can make my own sauce from scratch, but ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, this is actually good. Hold on, it's missing something. And I put a little bit of this seasonal because see, just a tad bit. I don't need so much because that's salt. Just a little bit of seasoned salt and a bit of ground pepper, black pepper on it. Make it pop. And now some sesame seeds to make it look pretty. Yeah, to make it look pretty. Yeah, that's why I said to make it look pretty. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. But you see that. This is gonna soak up all the juice of the. You have to shake this. All the juice of the vinaigrette later while it's sitting, because he's going to school, of course. And once it's soaked everything up, man, this is delicious. Okay, see how pretty that looks? Yeah. Okay, let's get plating now. I'm about to plate that up. Time to plate everything. I'll be right back. Let me show you guys. Put you on sesame oil. Just a little bit, okay? You see that? A little bit. This thing is strong. Okay, it's stronger than most people's hairline in my future. So, in my bank account. So, it's just for the smell and the flavor it brings. Oh, I can already smell it. Gosh, that smells amazing. This is how I plate everything up. I will show you guys. Honestly, I was so nervous, like this bread might not fit, but it says Slay Queen. Like the whole thing just fits in there perfectly. And see how beautiful that crust is? Yes, that's exactly what you want. And now for the second bowl. Here we'll have the salad. And the fruit salad goes in here. Of course, you gotta bring everything out and bring the beauty of, girl, I know this is a fruit salad. Like I said, it's a fruit salad, so that's why you see so many fruits. So don't be asking me, no, why there's so much fruits. Like, what do you think we're doing here? Man, that's so good. That is literally perfection. I'm just trying to let that shine. Yeah, so when I take my picture, it'd be like mouth watering good looking. Wow, that looks so pretty. And it's not just pretty, it tastes amazing as well. So it's not all about the look, guys. Sorry for playing this like this. I know I'm annoying some of you right now by doing this, but okay, forget this. That's how it is, the first and the second bowl. And for the third one, oh, I totally forgot I brought a Capri Sun, but we're gonna use this pineapple mango dough. Yeah, it's a fruity day to, oh, pause. I did not mean to say that. And we have some animal smoothie to go with that. Honestly, I was gonna put something else, but I said no. These are molded enough. Yes, they are. And this is what he takes in the morning. If you don't want to go squeeze, you always have the Go-Gurt he can grab as well. I was going to put this as a snack on the side, but I feel like this is already enough. So yeah, anyways, stay tuned. At the end of the video, you're gonna see if he finishes all of these. Okay, here we are again. Do you guys think he finished this food? Time to find out. Salad gone. Oh wait, no, that was the sandwich. The sandwich is gone, but the salad is, he did not finish all of the salad. He said, who put lettuce, who makes lettuce with strawberry? That's what he said. You heard him? Who the hell makes lettuce with strawberry? And he didn't eat it though. I mean, he didn't drink this, which is totally okay. What you mean? Like, it's just that because it sit a little bit, so yeah. But this was so good. Okay, maybe it's good for my texture, but not his. But I'm definitely gonna be eating this. I do not care. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned. I'll be making more videos. And yeah. Okay, bye.